the ground beef for spaghetti hack you need to try now. Are you ready to level up your spaghetti? Today I'm sharing a ground beef hack you probably haven't tried yet, but it'll make a huge difference in flavor. Most people just toss their beef in the pan, but there's a better way. First, let your beef rest at the room temperature for 10 minutes. Why? Cold beef doesn't brown well, and that browning is where all the flavor hides. Once the beef hits the pan, break it into small chunks. And here's the key. Don't stir it right away. Let it sit so it can get that crispy golden crust. Why does this work? When you allow the beef to sit, you're caramelizing the proteins, creating a deep, savory flavor that will make your spaghetti taste like it came from a restaurant. This one hack will completely change how you cook ground beef for pasta, and your taste buds will thank you. Do you want more tips on cooking perfect ground beef for spaghetti? Check out the full step-by-step guide on my blog. Click the link in the description.